I received my parcel today, and this toy is the Hook Warrior from Dreamstar. This is my first Constructicon from Dreamstar. I need 5 more to build the Devastator. The head of the Dreamstar Devastator is very nice. And this is his robot mode. The robot is nice and solid build and some metal parts. The transformation into truck raid mode is very solid and clean. The 8 wheel is working properly. Very nice and solid truck mode in my opinion. If I finish to complete this Dreamstar Devastator set, I definitely buy another copy. Because I'm satisfied to the plastic quality they use to this toy. And it also have some metal parts. For me, this Dreamstar is 9 out of 10. Very good detail. Hope to complete it soon.